Okay, today we're going to be using proportions and some mental math to solve those proportions. So to solve for a missing portion of a proportion, you need to multiply the known proportions by a number to create an equivalent proportion. Okay, these are going to be the most basic. As we move further into the chapter, we'll be working with ones that are a little more difficult. So to work through this, we're going to kind of look at these and say, what did they do to the first number to get the number that's straight across from it? So in this first scenario, I'm noticing that I have a number on the bottom of each of these. So what did they do to 2 to get it to become 8? So in proportions, you're either multiplying or dividing by the same number, making an equivalent fraction. So I could go 2 times 4 to get 8. Well, whatever I just did to the bottom, I would also have to do to the top. So you guys have used solving proportions before when you've done equivalent fractions. So here, x would equal 12. Okay, so our new proportion would be 12 eighths, or our equivalent fraction to 3 over 2 would be 12 eighths. Okay, so let's try another one. So here we've got the top number this time, where we've got 5. Something is done to 5 to get that 20. Well, 5 times 4 would give us 20. So whatever we just did to the top, we would do to the bottom. So 8 times 4 would give us 32. So that's working some mental math, just making it really quick and easy. As I said, the further we get into the chapter, the more difficult these will become. So we'll work with some other methods beyond that. Okay, so this time they have the variable out in the front. So in this one, we're kind of looking to see what could we do to that back number to get the front number. So if they give us the numbers, both numbers in the back, and we're trying to find one of these missing ones, we're going to work division instead. Okay, so we're going to still think the top 2 numbers. So 14, what could I do to 14 to get 7? Well, I could divide by 2. So 14 divided by 2 would give me 7. So I'm going to take 10, divide that by 2, and that would give me 5 for my bottom number. So 7/5 would be our new proportion there. Okay, so we're either working multiplication or division, depending on where our missing piece is to that proportion. Okay, so this one, I want you to try. So go ahead and try this one out. This time you're solving for that missing back number. Okay, so you'll be working multiplication, or actually in this case division, because it's making it a smaller number. So what could you do to 24 to make it become an 8? Go ahead and pause your video and work your way through this one. So in this case, 21 divided by 3 would give us 7 for x. So 21/24 is the same as 7/8.